Hello and welcome to Sehrawat Brothers. We're dedicated to providing our customers with a seamless and personalized shopping experience. In this video, we will introduce you to our customer portal, delivery process, and support services. We're proud to offer a dedicated customer portal for all our customers. This portal allows you to access detailed information about your orders, including estimates, sales orders, payments, credit notes, delivery details, GST and address details, statements, and transactions. You can also have real-time conversations with us and rate our services with star ratings and comments. Moreover, the customer portal offers numerous additional features to enhance your experience. You'll receive an email notification whenever we comment on your transactions with the Show in Portal option enabled. You can upload documents and edit basic details like your address and display name. You can share invoices with your contact persons via email directly from the portal. You can rate our service and provide feedback, which will not be publicly displayed. You can view sales orders, credit notes, and details of refunds. We encourage you to activate your dedicated customer portal, as it enables you to view product images and videos before the delivery of your products. In case you notice anything missing or have any concerns, you can contact us directly through the portal to address your issues promptly. Please note that our delivery partner may only be able to deliver your products to the apartment parking area due to the large size of the shipments. We kindly request your understanding and cooperation in this matter, as it ensures the safety of both the delivery personnel and your products. In the rare event that your order is not delivered in its entirety, please don't panic. Simply take a photo or video of the delivered products and send it to us. We will promptly arrange for the missing items to be sent to you as soon as we receive the information. To enhance your shopping experience, we have integrated our WhatsApp API account at 7827678276 to handle your inquiries. Our chatbot is available 24/7 to provide you with detailed information on our products, including images, videos, and pricing. If you have any questions, just type your query, and our chatbot will provide complete information about the product in seconds. In case our chatbot can't answer your question, our dedicated customer support team at Sehrawat Brothers is ready to help. It may take some time, but we assure you that we will respond to your query as soon as possible. We're here to help you every step of the way. Experience the convenience and personalized support of our customer portal and enjoy a seamless shopping experience at Sehrawat Brothers. Namaskar and Jai Hind.